Hello everyone. Today we are discussing a topic that's creating a buzz in digital marketing world. SEO versus AEO. Search engine optimization and answer engine optimization. Is AEO the next big one? Are they competitors or two sides of the same coin? Straight on as we explore this. Now we know that SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, the art and science of getting your website ranked higher on search engine like Google, Shopify, Wix, DuckDuckGo, and so on. It involves keywords, backlink, quality content, and technical performance. Over the time, SEO has involved voice search, AI, and user intention. AEO or answer engine optimization takes a different approach. Instead of focusing on ranks, it focuses on delivering accurate and concise answer to our user questions, especially for voice assistant like Siri or Alexa. The goal is to provide the definitive answer to our user questions. Now, where they are different? The main difference between SEO and AEO is that SEO focuses on improving website performance on search engine, while AEO focuses on provide direct answer to our user questions. Another difference is SEO based on tools like analytics and backlink strategies, while AEO leverage for structured data and schema markup. In terms of SEO, keyword research and placement is very important for match user questions, while AEO content write in Q&A format, which helps to answer engine to extract answer more quickly. Are there any impactful in SEO industry? It's definitely not, because of when our people search for anything, they try to fill up his intention like informational, commercial, transactional, and navigational. But when we compare both, we show that AEO can't fulfill commercial and transactional intention because of AEO just give him suggestion and information. When we talk about SEO or search engine, that time it's provide him this opportunity to choose his best product and gaining information about this product as well. So I think it not affected on search engine or SEO industries. So should you choose SEO or AEO? The answer is quite simple. You can choose together. They ensure your content is more discoverable and helpful. Use schema markup for AEO and create engaging content for SEO. And ensure your website is well structured for AI and human readability. In digital marketing worlds, it's not about picking one over other. SEO drives for traffic, AEO makes sure your user gets what they are looking for. By integrating both, in future you can prove your online presence. If you need any kind of SEO consultancy, feel free to contact us. Our team is specialized in drafting strategies that are the best. Reach out today to start your optimizing success. Thanks for watching, and until the next time, stay optimized.